happens when BMW takes a legendary name and reimagines it for the future. The 2026 BMW R100 is here, and it's turning heads everywhere. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated motorcycles of the year, the all-new 2026 BMW R100. Design. Let's start with design. BMW has struck a beautiful balance between retro inspiration and modern refinement. The classic boxer silhouette remains, wrapped in sleek, minimalist bodywork that feels fresh and contemporary. The round LED headlight, brushed aluminum accents, and exposed frame elements create a timeless aesthetic that commands attention. Performance. Onto performance. Under that stunning exterior sits a refined 1,170cc boxer twin engine producing 95 horsepower and 83 pound-feet of torque. Power delivery is smooth and predictable, making it enjoyable on city streets and open highways alike. The chassis is lightweight yet stable, with suspension that offers excellent comfort over long distances. Features and technology. For technology, BMW hasn't held back. The R100 features a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, multiple riding modes, cornering ABS, and traction control. Add keyless ignition and optional adaptive cruise control, and you have classic styling with thoroughly modern capability. Conclusion. The 2026 BMW R100 brilliantly blends heritage with innovation. Whether you're a longtime BMW enthusiast or new to the brand, this bike delivers an experience that's hard to beat. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews. Drop a comment below. Would you ride the R100? Share this video with fellow riders, and we'll see you in the next one.